Alright, hey everybody, so here I'm making some Italian meatballs, and this is what I actually use to make mine. And here I got 2 pounds of ground beef, okay, 80-20 and 85-15 mixed together, 1 pound of each. And what I put into it is some grated Parmesan, we got some whole minced garlic, some of this stuff here, which is Gourmet Garden chunky garlic. I used the whole entire tub in that. We got some Vigo Italian style breadcrumbs, and I got here some gourmet fresh basil chopped up. So we mix all that together, which is pretty simple. You actually have to add an egg. I added 1 egg into this. Sometimes I use this, sometimes I don't, but today I did. So we're gonna take these and I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put this phone down, I'm going to roll one up. I want to see the best that I can do to set this up so people can see how it's rolled up here. Let me see what I got going on here. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this or not, but you're going to take a little bit of this here, you're going to take a handful, and you're just going to roll it up. You're going to roll it up like this into a ball, and we're going to put them on this pan here. And once I'm done with these, I'm gonna go ahead and gonna put it in the oven. I have a convection oven. I got it at 350 degrees right now, which actually has it at 325 since it's a convection oven. I should be able to get about 12 meatballs out of these 2 pounds. They said I'm gonna bake these for about 20 to 25 minutes, and I'll let them drain on this pan here when they're done. And then when my sauce is ready to go, I'll just throw them inside the sauce to go ahead and heat them up. Now, not to get dirty, but my wife likes big meatballs, so we're gonna make them big. I don't know how many I'm gonna get out of this. I usually don't make them this big, but they're pretty simple to make. You know, I'd rather make my own sauce, but I'm not making my own sauce today. I had a busy day at work, and you can see how we roll them up here, way too busy at work today to sit around and make my own sauce. It just takes too long. So when I'm done here rolling these up, I'm gonna have to wash my hands. Unfortunately, I'm using my iPhone and not my iPad right now because it's dead. So I can't pause this and come back to it later. I mean, I probably can on that phone there, but I'm not going to go ahead and screw around with that right now. So I should be able to get at least 2 more out of what I got here. But this is real simple to make, and I don't even measure. I don't measure what I put in here. I just kind of put in as much as I want. I like the garlicky taste. That garlic paste that I showed you there really makes it pretty good. So let's see. Let me wash my hands real quick. I'll be right back. All right, I'll be right there. All right, so this is what we got right here. I got, let's see, we got 5, 10, 14 meatballs out of 2 pounds. Now what I'm gonna do right here, right now, is I'm gonna go ahead and take these and I'm gonna stick them in my oven for about 20, 25 minutes. Convection oven, which is awesome. Convection ovens are just absolutely phenomenal. So what I'll do is I will come back to these when they're done, and I will go ahead and we'll see if we can make another video to attach to this. All right, guys, thanks.